Hi, it's Mary from Singing Strong, and today we're going to do a simple 5 note scale on R. And this is a really good exercise, one, to work on your pitch, and two, just as a good warm up. What I want you to focus on is making sure we have a nice relaxed R. So it's not ah, it's ah, like, just ah, really, that's nice. So we're just going to go from middle C to C above middle C. And I want you to try and keep your phrasing nice and legato. And that's an Italian word used in music, and it just means to keep it smooth and connected as we go. So let's start. We want to aim for a smooth and connected phrase, and we call that legato. So let's aim for a nice legato R. And if you're concerned about whether the sound is nice and forward or whether it's in your throat, just start with an mm. So, na, and that will bring the sound nice and forward. Okay, so I'm going to start now. Let's go through the scale. Now on your own. Nice relaxed R. Back down again. Okay, now if you were looking, you could see that I was taking in a low breath, but nothing too big because it's not a very big phrase. My shoulders are nice and relaxed. So we keep our shoulders down and relaxed. And we breathe, take a breath, and then make sure that the sound is carrying on the breath. So we want a good airflow with the sound. We did the exercise on R. Now let's try it once more, and we're going to do it on E. And if, again, you're wanting to try and get that sound forward and resonate in your face, just start with an mm. So it's knee. Okay? So let's go through it once more. And this time we're going to do it on E. Knee. On your own, you can do it. Last one. Okay, so we're going to do it once more on nu, on oo. Now, if you're having difficulty as you're getting higher, just check, like if you can get a mirror, it would be ideal. Get a mirror and check. And if you find as you're getting up into those high notes that the chin is wanting to pull up, just be careful with that. Always have a feeling of singing. I've said this before to many of my students. Keep the sound moving forward, so have a focused forward sound all the way, and then staying grounded so that we're not tempted to pull up and have this feeling of, that the note's way up there somewhere. It's not. Okay? So we just want it to go along. All right? So as you get higher, think along and down. Okay? So we're going to do this exercise once more on an oo, and if you're feeling like you're straining as you get higher, try and have a feeling of singing into the floor and having a focused sound forward. Maybe find somewhere to look at in the room that you can focus on. And imagine the sound is like a laser beam going straight through that point all the way. So all the way up and all the way down. You've got a straight focus, okay? So let's try it on an ooh this time. And remember, you can put the N to start if you want to. No. Remember, low breath. Keep the shoulders relaxed. And as you're getting higher, have a forward focus. Keeping grounded, don't take off. That's the 5-note scale, and that's a good exercise for a gentle warm-up. We didn't go very high or low, but it's really just about focusing on a good tone, getting the sound forward in the face, making sure that as you go up, you have a focused forward sound and staying grounded. I don't want to see any chins going up in the air, so you might want to check that in a mirror. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're interested in more videos like this, where I go through exercises with you, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can keep up to date with the latest videos. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.